What? What are you looking at me for? Hmm?
Graduation dinner. I would like you to do your chores tonight, and I want to start nagging on you, but I want a better job than yesterday, okay? Because you didn't sweep or take out the garbage or do, you know, laundry yesterday or anything, so you didn't touch the window. So I want you to concentrate on doing a good job now. You need to take a heavy one in my...
I missed it.
I walked in front of you.
No. I missed it because I knew it was going to happen, but I didn't keep the camera on her.
Did you fall off?
No, he, you know, when people walk by him, he tends to jump out and attack them.
That's what lawmakers looking into pre-September 11th intelligence
Sorry.
lapses say they're seeking in those hearings that continue.
Where'd you go? There he is.
And the House has passed a court security bill creating Coast Guard anti-terror teams to protect vessels and ships on U.S. waters. Israeli tanks go into the West Bank reports of an accident. CHP on the scene for that one. That's what may be split there. Key officer Jim Harris joins us. And some stories to tell us.
Good morning, Tina, and good day, Sacramento. All things considered, it's been a great commute for the morning commuters this morning. Not a lot of collisions to speak about, but in the south areas, we do have a couple of traffic hazards. First of all, southbound I-5 south of Seamus Avenue, we have a green vehicle in the center divider, and the calling party went by. Like that vehicle on flat. We're on the way to take care of that and get that out of there. And also, westbound Highway 50 at Watt Avenue, we have a gold city pickup along the right-hand shoulder. This vehicle does have a flat tire. CHP just arrived on scene, and they'll probably get this thing all changed and get that vehicle out on the road along Highway 50. All in all, it's been a great commute for you every morning now.
Sounds good. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later. Guys, back to you now. Thanks, Dean.
Thanks, Dean. Coming up, she kicks vampire Heine. Sarah Michelle Gellar says she's just a regular girl. We're going to learn about her real life later on today.
First, what you're on today was the very first ever hot air balloon flight. What the answer for you?
Walk by. Nope, he didn't do it.
Birthday swimming party, but there was...
Well, sometimes the senator was big time. He knew that she was on the town as only death. Girls who don't mind being used won't by men with power. He felt sorry for her.
Yeah, it's going to bring Simon out.
Well, thank you. Oh, my place.
Simon's going to
At least we have some.